Parents, you are searching for a professional and experienced tutor for your child in math and science, right? After personally conducting over 22,000 online and in-person sessions, receiving over 6,200 plus verified client reviews, and gaining over 2,000 student favorite badges at Tutor.com, the Princeton Review, and Housechool.com, I have developed a step-by-step blueprint to boost your learner's confidence in the subject material. As a result, your learner will gain the ability to solve complex concepts with ease. This blueprint empowers students to excel in their studies, overcome challenges, and create effective study plans to enhance their academic journey. I'm currently offering a free discovery call to discuss how I can help your child break the math confusion and improve their understanding of complex concepts with this proven blueprint. During this call, we'll chat about your child's learning needs and goals, and I'll provide insights into how my tutoring approach can benefit your child tremendously.
Whoa!
There is no contract and no commitment required. Seats are limited, so book your spot quickly and I'll see you inside.